The SEP IRA is a great retirement plan for real estate professionals and business owners because it allows you to reduce your taxable income, which means that you're saving on taxes while contributing to your retirement into your future. Now, as real estate professionals and business owners, I know you love what you do and you would not trade it for the world. But fact of the matter is, nobody wants to work forever. You want to have, or you need to have a plan in place for when the time comes that you are ready to retire and just live your life and not have to work anymore. So we're going to talk about why the SEP IRA is a great retirement plan that you should be investing in as a real estate professional or a business owner. So let's start off by talking about what a SEP is. So SEP is SEP and it stands for Self-Employed Pension. And it is a retirement plan that is designed for self-employed people and small business owners. It allows you to make tax-deductible contributions for yourself as well as your employees. So that's what makes it so attractive for business owners and real estate professionals. So let's talk about more of the benefits on why you should be contributing to a SEP. First of all, there are high contribution limits, meaning that the amount that you can contribute to the plan is a large amount versus others that you may be using for retirement planning. For 2024, you can contribute 25% of your income up to $66,000, which is really good because if you contribute to a traditional IRA, the max there is only $6,000 per year. So this allows you to contribute more of an amount to your retirement while you are reducing what you're going to be paying in taxes. The second benefit is that, again, it is tax deductible. So you are contributing and you are lowering your income, which means that you are saving what you're going to be paying on taxes. Now, everyone wants to save on taxes, and a lot of times we believe that we just have to spend money in order to get additional deductions in order to save on taxes. Well, this is one time that you can contribute to something that's going to benefit you down the line while saving on taxes. A third benefit is that it is very flexible in how you contribute to the plan. So there's no requirement on how much you have to contribute each year. So it gives you some flexibility as you are operating your real estate business or your small business, meaning that there may be one particular year that you do extremely great and you decide that it is in your best interest to contribute a large amount, let's say $60,000, in order to contribute to that retirement and save on taxes. Well, the following year, you may have utilized your funds in a different way. You may have increased your marketing. You may have determined that you needed a new vehicle for your business, things of that nature. So you are not forced in order to contribute to that retirement every year. It's very flexible in how it allows you to contribute. As long as you do not go over the limits, then you have the ability to either contribute or not contribute. Another benefit to establishing an IRA is that it's very easy to set up and easy to maintain. To set up a SEP, you're going to decide which financial institution that you're going to utilize in order to establish the plan. Then you're going to complete a Form 5305 SEP form. And this form is going to include what your business name is, what the participation requirements are, and it's going to be signed by an officer of the business. Now, the good thing about this form is that it is not filed with the IRS. It's a fairly simple form that can be completed, and you only need to keep it on file for your records. It does not have to be submitted to the IRS. Once the Form 5305 is established, you're going to let your employees know about the plan and how they're going to benefit from it, and then you're going to make contributions to it. And that is the SEP IRA in a nutshell. Once you set it up, you can contribute to it, and you have up until when your tax filing is due in order to make those contributions. As a real estate professional or a business owner, you should get started in planning for retirement as early as possible, because the earlier that you do start contributing, that will help you accumulate the most funds by the time you determine that you want to retire. So if this video has been helpful and you want to learn more about how you can use the tax code in order to save on taxes and generate wealth in your business and your investments, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe. If there are other topics that you want to know about, make sure that you leave it in the comments below so I can discuss those. And make sure that you use the link in the description in order to download your free copy of the 12 biggest tax deductions for real estate professionals.